Your organization needs access to a global workforce, but the agility and speed you need to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world are lost during lengthy setups. To onboard one consultant, manage multiple vendors, or scale up operations quickly in a new market, you have to stitch together various point solutions and communicate with different departments. Instead of security and productivity, you're creating a chaotic, unscalable, and vulnerable system. Tehama is revolutionizing the way we work. In one SaaS platform, Tehama consolidates all capabilities and tools necessary to secure the services supply chain, replacing the need for patch updates, shipping laptops, VPN connections, and upfront infrastructure costs altogether. In just one click, deploy complete and secured work environments, all in the cloud, and securely connect with new workers in minutes. Tehama rooms are isolated from your corporate network, using an outbound-only gateway, ensuring your systems and data remain uncompromised. And vendors or individuals can connect to work environments with the resources they need, anywhere, on any device. You get to trust that with secure access, continuous auditing, and compliance enforcement applied to all user sessions, you have control and security. Faster, scalable, and more secure than ever before. Tehama.